Hello, my dear friends and all. Today, June 19th, Reading Day, is a day not only to read but also a day to remember the culture of reading. So, hence, mostly in our seminars, in our classes, in symposiums, etc., the process of reading, the importance of reading, and the outcome of readings are mentioned and discussed. The process of productive reading can be viewed in many aspects, like while we are traveling outside in a bus and we saw a poster and we read them. Likewise, we read daily newspapers and we read our textbooks for exams, etc., etc. And the programs regarding the reading day is mainly focuses on vast reading or wide reading rather than these readings. And also some people might advise us, occasionally they advise us to read these books, and these books are to be excluded in reading, and you should not read that book. Likewise, but as a frequent reader, while we are reading frequently, we will get an idea or we will get a self-awareness that these books are to be read and these books are to be excluded from our reading. So here today we English department students are introducing you some books which are banned in many countries by their governments, and why these books are said not to be read in there. So let's get deeply into it.
As we all know, many books are banned in our world. The ban is due to many reasons, political, religious, etc. I'm going to talk about such a book, and its name is Harry Potter. Yes, the same world famous book Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling. The book is the series of 7 novels, and it deals with the life of a young wizard named Harry Potter and his friends. Also their struggle against Lord Voldemort, a dark wizard who intends to be immortal. The United Arab Emirates government has banned these books from their educational institutions because they argue that its fantasy and magic are contradictory to Islamic values. Despite being banned from the schools, it is not banned from the bookshops. In 2007, Karachi police found a diffuser car bomb near a shop where it is planned to sell Harry Potter. Even though there are many such issues on the book is...
Lolita is a 1955 novel written by Russian-American novelist Vladimir Nabokov. The novel is banned for its controversial subject. The protagonist, an unreliable narrator, a middle-aged literature professor under a pseudonym Humbert, is obsessed with a 12-year-old girl, Dolores Hayes, whom he sexually molests after he becomes her grandfather. Lolita is his private nickname for Dolores. It was banned in UK, Africa, France, Argentina and New Zealand. Thank you.
Why was God Days banned? God Days is a 2008 Malayalam novel about an abused migrant workers in Saudi Arabia, written by Bahrain-based Indian author Benjamin. The novel is based on the real events and was a bestseller in Kerala. The novel depicts the life of Najib Muhammad, an Indian immigrant going missing in Saudi Arabia. It is perhaps less of a surprise that the Arabic translation of the best-selling and acclaimed Malayalam novel Aadu Jeevitham or God Days has been banned in Saudi Arabia and the UAE.
Jinnah India Partition Independence by Jaswant Singh, banned for being sympathetic attitudes towards Jinnah. This book was portraying Jinnah in an objective manner rather than a demonished nation breaker. It criticized the policies of Nehru and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which as well as no will get anyone axed fact or not.
Lewis Carroll's Alice's Adventures in Wonderland was originally banned in China and other parts of the world because some people objected to the animals' characters being able to use human language. They felt this put animals on the same level as human. In 1931, Alice in Wonderland was suspended from the classroom use pending reviews because the novel contains expletive sexual content and derogatory characterization of teachers and religious ceremonies. More recently, it became controversial because of what some people thought were drug references. Because in chapter 5th, Alice meets a caterpillar that's sitting on the top of a mushroom, and recent times it cites on the drug references. Even though it is written as a book for children, it's complicated and has many ironic twists and puns that might not be understood by a child, which is why some people overreacted to the book's content and want it banned. That demonstrates the level of fear some people have about any book they consider inappropriate or subversive. Many literary scholars who have analyzed that book do feel he is satirizing the political system of the time, the mass of society, and certain aspect of his own religion, but a child reading it wouldn't even understand those underlying themes, which also in itself doesn't make consuming the book necessary, because a writer should be able to express his political and religious view however he chooses.
Challenging Code by Dan Brown, published in 2003 and banned in Lebanon in 2004 for its offensiveness towards Christianity. The novel is highly frowned upon by the Catholic leaders. For religious leaders, it was an insult to Jesus Christ. Many other countries have banned the book for certain periods as well due to its blasphemous content. Manila, India, Vatican are some of the other countries that have either prohibited or severely rated the book.
I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings is a 1969 novel by American novelist and poet Maya Angelou. The book is a coming-of-age story that is packed with the unforgettable poetic passages. And this book has been banned on sexual ground because the book mentions her rape when she was a young girl. And despite spending 2 years in New York Times best-seller list and nominated for National Book Award, this book, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sing, is now one of the most banned or challenged books in America. It was because its language portraits of violence, racism, sexuality, childhood rape, and teen pregnancy. Because this kind of violent imagery, the book was banned in countries like America.
Why was Animal Farm banned? Published in 1945, Orwell's novel tells the story of animals that rebel against their neglectful farmer. The novel was also banned in United Arab Emirates, that is UAE, because of imagery they felt was against Islamic values. The American Central Intelligence Agency CIA funded a cartoon version in 1955. Because of its illegality, many in Soviet-controlled territory first read it in pirated Samizdat form. In 2002, the novel was banned in schools in the UAE. To protect Stalin's reputation and to preserve communism, the book was forbidden to circulate in the Soviet Union after it was first published in 1945. And the ban continued until the late 1980s, when the Soviet Union got collapsed, till the collapsing of Soviet Union. When the Soviet Union collapsed, Orwell faced an uphill battle in other ways while trying to get this novel published.